Hello, sir.
So today we have Dr. Narasimhan with us today from company MGR Aerospace. Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Welcome to Drone Expo 2025.
Yes.
So we want to ask you a few questions related to your company and
Yes.
the Drone Expo. Okay. So can you please introduce yourself to the audience and tell us a bit about your company also?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have Dr. MGR ARI Naval and Aerospace Innovation LLP,
Okay.
joint venture with Bench Technologies.
Okay.
And also our academic partner is Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute.
Okay.
Our MD is an ACS Shanmugam, sir, and ACS Arun Kumar, sir.
Okay.
They are the MD of our company. We are our director, Mr. Kamalagasan. He is looking at all those this part of our research and development and also manufacturing part. Myself, Dr. Narasimhan. I am the CTO of this company.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
Okay. So I think you have been dealing into a lot of things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can see you have a lot of drones
Yes.
at present in your stalls also.
Yes.
So I wanted to know like what particular like special thing that you are showcasing in this drone expo.
Yes, sir. Sir, already I told about our company. We are type certified company. We have recently got a type certified from DGCA.
Okay.
Our agriculture drone is a special drone which have a dual payload configuration system. In one load, there is a two configuration. It is useful for farmers to do two configuration applications. And also for Drone Expo, we are having an rescue drones.
Okay.
And also for naval system, we have an ROV. And also we have an another missile launching drone we are introduced in for Drone Expo 2025.
Yeah, that I can
Hyderabad.
see you have lots of drones in your
Yes,
stand
yes.
as well.
All the models are working models, not in prototype.
No,
That is a great thing we have done for this.
This is what the drone expo is all about, to see new innovation which is happening in the country.
Yes.
And this is really good to know that.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now coming on to the exhibition.
Yes, sir.
This is our second day today.
Yes.
What do you think about the footfall? How was it?
Sir, we have not expected like this footfall. We are expected the footfall will be there up to opening stage
Okay.
and it will be up to 1 o'clock. We are expected that. But we are standing from 9 o'clock. Up to now we are standing. There is no time to sit over here. Why means the crowds are there? Not the crowds are business crowds are there.
Yes.
Not another people like public sector just come and around seeing and going. So many business people are coming. We are giving the quotes also through them. Very nice to part of this drone expo.
Well, it's really motivating words for us also, and this is what we want to achieve from Drone Expo.
Yes.
To, like travel to different states and cater different audiences,
Yes.
because every market has audiences which cannot travel to specific states.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
it is really good to have a Drone Expo in Hyderabad.
Yes.
Now, just for the exhibition also, I want to ask one more thing.
Yes.
How do you think event like Drone Expo helps business grow?
Sir, for business growth, we are doing so many activities for our business growth as a marketing, sales, as well as B2B customers, as well as we are searching for our business for component manufacturers, and so many things are there. So many accessories are there. In this expo, we are meeting business B2B peoples. It is very useful to us. In a single arena, we are meeting so many customers as a B2B, also manufacturers.
Well, it is really good.
Yes.
So now this year we have the exhibition in Hyderabad,
Yes, sir.
and next year we are planning in a much bigger venue,
Yes.
which will be happening in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So what is your call on that? Are you looking to participate?
Yes, sir. I have already asked Mr. Logit
Okay.
what will the procedure to over Hyderabad. Please get me the mail today itself. So we will be back with you.
I'll surely be meeting you in Mumbai as well.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, thank you so much for your
Yeah.
time, and I'll hopefully see you in Mumbai as well.
Sure,
thank
sir.
you.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.